Hi guys, today I'm going to design a ball in Fusion 360. I hope you like the video. First create a sketch, choose the plane, go to create, select polygon and choose circumscribe polygon and create the polygon. Click OK and enter this distance as 26. Now choose the circle and enter its dimension as 18.7. Now go to solid, select extrude, select the area to be extruded. Now rotate a little bit and select symmetric in direction and enter the distance as 29. Click OK. Now go to create, select thread and select the profile, choose model to have a realistic view of threads and click OK. Select visor plane and create a sketch on it. Now go to visual style and choose wireframe. Zoom it, select line tool and create a triangle here. And adjust a little bit. Again choose line tool and create another triangle here. Give the dimensions as 1 mm. This side also 1 mm. And adjust it. Now choose dimension tool and give this triangle dimensions. Okay, now select line tool and create a center line. Select the line and choose it as construction line. Now choose mirror tool, select the profile and select mirror line and click OK. Now go to solid, rotate a little bit, choose revolve command and select the profiles. Now select axis and click OK. Now go to visual style, choose shaded with visible edges. Now we need to adjust a little bit. This triangle needs to be adjusted a little bit. Enter the dimension as 3 by 7 mm and adjust it. Finish sketch. Okay. Select XY plane and create a sketch on it. Select constant orbit and rotate the model. Now go to visual style, change it to wireframe. Now we need to create a profile. First go to sketch, select line tool, create a vertical line and then a slant line and horizontal line, followed by a slant line and then a horizontal line and a small vertical line. Followed by a horizontal line and then make a slant line and then a horizontal line and create a line parallel to this point and then finish the sketch. Now we need to give the dimensions. First select this line and give this dimension as 5.5. Now select these 2 points and give dimension as 1.5. Give this dimension as 8.5. Now this line give a distance of 16 mm. After that drag the profile a little bit. After that give this distance as 1.8 mm and this line a distance of 10.5 mm and keep this distance as 0.3 mm. Now this line has a dimension of 6.5 mm and give this distance as 2.5. After that give this distance as 6.5 mm and this distance as 3.2 mm. Okay, 3.5 mm. Now select the line tool and create a center line and choose this line as a construction line. Now go to visual style, choose shaded. Now go to solid, select Revolve Tool, select the axis and select the operation as join. Click OK. Go to construction, select offset plane, choose XY and enter distance as 26.5 mm. Click OK. Select this plane and create a sketch on it. Select the circle command and create a circle in line with this point. Click OK. Now give the circle as dimension as 17.5 mm. Drag it a little bit and change the dimension to 16 mm. Now go to rotate command and rotate the model. Now click OK. Go to solid, choose extrude and select the profile and extend give to object and select this extent. Operation join, click OK. Go to construction, select offset plane, choose XY and enter distance as 19.5 mm. Click OK. Choose this plane and create a sketch on it. Go to constant orbit and rotate the model. Zoom the model a little bit. Now go to line tool and create a vertical line in line with this point. And give this line a dimension of 14.3 mm. Now select this line and choose the construction option for this line. Now go to offset tool and create a line offset a distance of 5 mm. Again create a line at a distance of 5 mm. Click OK. Now go to circle tool, create a circle and give its dimension as 4 mm. Now go to arc and select 3-point arc and create an arc tangent to these lines. Now create a horizontal line and choose it as construction line. Now select the mirror tool and choose the objects and select mirror line. Click OK. Now rotate the model a little bit. Go to solid, choose extrude command and enter the distance as 5.5 mm. Click OK. Select operation as join and change the dimension to 6.5 mm. Now rotate the model and check the model. Click OK. Now go to modify, choose chamfer and select distance and angle as chamfer type and select the edges and enter the distance as 1 mm and keep the angle as 45 degree. Now click OK. Again go to modify, select the chamfer tool and enter the chamfer selections and enter distance as 1 mm. Click OK. Select the surface and create a sketch on it. Now rotate the object like this. Click OK. Now select the line tool and then create a vertical line and then a horizontal line. Again create a vertical line. Click OK. Now give the dimensions. Give this dimension as 6 mm and this dimension as 5 mm and this dimension also 5 mm. Click OK. Now select the line tool and create a slant line, then a vertical line and a horizontal line. Now give the dimension. This dimension is 4 mm and this dimension give this dimension as 4 mm. Change this dimension as 5 mm. Again select the line tool and create a horizontal line and then a vertical line. Again a horizontal line. Now give the dimensions. This dimension is 6 mm and this dimension is 5 mm and this dimension also 5 mm. Again select the line tool and create a slant line like this and a horizontal line and followed by a vertical line. Now give the dimensions. This dimension is 4 mm and this dimension is 5 mm. Adjust it a little bit like this. Now rotate the model and go to solid, select the extrude command and select the profile to be extruded. Go to chart, select offset plane and enter the offset as 1 mm. Now go to extend, select to object and select the surface. Now click OK. Now go to modify, select draft tool, select the plane and select the face. Now enter angle as 10 degree and click OK. Rotate the model a little bit, click OK. Again go to modify, select draft tool, select the plane and also select the face, enter angle as 10 degree, click OK. Select XY plane and create a sketch on it. Now go to constant orbit, rotate the model like this and click OK. Zoom it a little bit. Now select the rectangle tool and create a rectangle like this. Now give the dimensions. Enter this dimension as 18 mm. Now change the dimension as 15 mm. Now give the dimension as 6 mm. And move the rectangle like this. Now go to line tool, create a horizontal line and select this line as construction line. Now go to mirror tool, select the objects. Now select the mirror line, click OK. Go to free orbit, rotate the model. Now go to solid, select extrude command and select the profile to be extruded. Give direction as symmetric. Enter the distance as 6.5 mm and choose the operation as join. Click OK. Go to fillet tool, select the edges and enter the radius as 1 mm. Select the remaining edges also by rotating the model. Click OK. Enter the radius as 1 mm. Here also 1 mm. Rotate the model. Again select the fillet tool. Select the edges to be rounded and enter the radius as 1 mm. Now click OK. Go to fillet tool. Select the faces to be rounded. Now rotate the model and select the remaining faces also. And enter the radius as 0.5 mm. Click OK. Again go to fillet tool and select the edges to be rounded. OK. Now rotate the model on the other side. Click OK and select the remaining edges also. Now enter the radius as 0.5 mm and click OK. Again select the fillet tool and choose the edges to be rounded and enter the radius as 0.5 mm. Now click OK. Select the surface and create a sketch on it. Go to circle tool and create a circle. Of diameter 12 mm. Now rotate the model. Click OK. Go to solid. Select extrude command and select the profile and enter the distance as 1 mm. Now click OK. Select this surface and create a sketch on it. Now go to create. Go to polygon. Select circumscribe polygon and create a hexagon. And enter this dimension as 13 mm. Now rotate the model and go to solid. Select extrude command. Select the profiles and enter the distance as 3 mm. Click OK. Select visor plane and create a sketch on it. Now go to line tool and create a triangle like this. Now adjust the triangle as shown. After that, again choose line tool and create another triangle. After that, go to solid. Before that, rotate the model as shown. Now go to revolve command, select the profiles, select the axis and choose the cut operation. Click OK. Select visor plane and create a sketch on it. First select the line tool and create a line here. Okay, then create a vertical line like this. Click OK. Now we need to adjust this line as shown. Extend it like this. Now select the line tool, create a slant line and then a horizontal line. Click OK. After that, adjust this line. Now go to fillet and give radius to sharp edges. After that, go to offset, select the profile and enter offset opposition as minus 2.5 mm. Click OK. Now we need to close the profile by doing this. Now click OK. After that, rotate the model like this. Go to solid, choose extrude command and enter the direction as symmetric and enter distance as 8 mm and enter operation as join. Click OK. Select this surface and make a sketch on it. Change the visual style to wireframe. Zoom the model. Select line tool and create a vertical line. Then a slant line followed by a vertical line and close the profile. Click OK. Again change the visual style to shaded with visible edges. Select the line to create a center line. Click OK. Make it as a construction line. Choose fillet tool. Keep the radius as 4 mm. Now go to mirror tool. Select the objects. Select the mirror line. Click OK. Now rotate the model like this. Now go to solid, choose extrude command and select the profiles. Choose the operation as cut. And choose extend to objects. Rotate the model and select the extend and objects to cut. Select objects to cut as body 2 only. Click OK. Rotate the model, select the surface and create a sketch on it. Now go to create, select project, select the profile. Now go to offset tool, enter offset position to 2 mm. Click OK. Now go to solid, select extrude command, select the profiles and enter the extrude to 120 mm. Go to fillet tool, select the surface to be rounded, enter the radius as 2 mm. Now rotate the model, select this face also, enter the radius as 2 mm. Now select the edges and enter radius as 2 mm. Click OK. Select the surface and create a sketch on it. Select the circle command and create a circle here. Give the dimension as 13.5 mm. Rotate the model. Go to solid, choose extrude command, select the surface and enter distance as 2.5 mm. Select the surface and create a sketch on it. Go to create, go to polygon, select circumscribe polygon and create a hexagon concentric to the circle. Now create a circle. Now let's give the dimensions. Give this distance as 11.5 mm. Give circle diameter as 7 mm. Now rotate the model and select the extrude command. Give distance as 5.5 mm. Select the visor plane and create a sketch on it. Change the visual style to wireframe. Zoom the model. Now go to line tool and create a triangle here. Create one more triangle here. And at the bottom create another triangle. Now go to solid. Before that we need to change the visual style to shaded. Go to Revolve command, select the profiles and select the axis. Now click OK. Now we need to adjust this sketch. Extend the lines of triangle. Okay, a little more editing now. Extend this triangle also. Finish sketch. Now as you can see it is okay. Select this surface and create a sketch on it. Now go to line tool and create a line here. Create one more line here. Now we need to give dimensions. Give this dimension as 1.2 mm. Change it to 1.5 mm. Give this dimension also 1.5 mm. Now rotate the model. Go to solid, select extrude command and select the profile to be extruded. Give the distance as 8.5 mm. Click OK. Now go to create, choose thread command and select the surface where we need to apply the thread. Choose model to have a realistic view. Now click OK. Now let's add some material to the model. Select the appearance, drag out the color, rotate the model, again repeat the procedure, drag out the color. So guys, our model is complete now and it's time to end our video. Thanks for watching.